iGenius, be brilliant. Appreciate you taking a look at this information and taking your time. Let's get right to it. What is iGenius? iGenius is made up of multiple products and services. We have a university that educates you on financial education, a money pro system that gets your money right from the experts, knowledge, skills, and abilities. We have a Learn Live system where you can learn live with experts, Equity Prime, Crypto Core, Forex Thrive. Let's talk about Equity Prime, better known as the stock market. What is Equity Prime? What is Equity Prime? Equity Prime is really made up of a couple of things. It gives you education that's very comprehensive, research if you're looking to participate in the stock market, better known as the equity markets. All right, Equity Prime provides access to a few unique strategies, three to be exact. Trend Pro, which trades the NASDAQ 100, about one trade per day. All right. Portfolio Pro, which helps you build your stock portfolio. Options Pro, which trades calls and puts and stock options. Equity Prime. With Equity Prime, we use common brokers, stockbrokers like Robinhood, Level X, TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, all from the palm of your hand, from your phone. Those are the brokers that you can utilize. Let's talk about Trend Pro. Trend Pro capitalizes on the NASDAQ 100 and it leverages NASDAQ 100 ETFs. Now, these ETFs are based on complex algorithms and they evaluate daily the stock market conditions and they can benefit on the upside and the downside. Now, these signals are delivered through our Alerts One platform. All right. So Trend Pro captures both uptrends, downtrends, and it outperforms a lot of the markets. Now let's look at some alert performance. If you focus in on the right side, you'll see 4 red alerts and 7 green alerts. All right. So we show you the losses, we show you the wins. This is your profit and loss. But as you can see, we are winning more than losing. All right. Now focus in here, right in the middle bar here. As you can see, right around 50 to 60%. Now understand, we believe that this outperforms the S&P 500 total return, including dividends. All right. So if you're a person that is used to collecting dividends, this strategy outperforms the S&P 500, including dividends. This is a yearly annual performance. As you can see, in the green is the Trend Pro strategy. In the blue is the S&P 500. We're outperforming every single year. Let's look at a Trend Pro trade alert. As you can see on the left, there's a new alert. A new alert is issued through our Alerts One platform. We tell you to buy a 100 position of QLD, which is the symbol, at market price. Now you buy this at market close. All right. Right before the stock market is closing, you execute this trade. There's 1 day that you execute it, and you only have to execute 1 per day. All right. At maximum. All right. Now this is telling you 100% QLD, and it tells you to look at the information. This is an alert. Let's focus in on Portfolio Pro. Portfolio Pro is designed to shine light on traditional stocks and exchange traded funds. It helps you build your portfolio. But what it allows you to do is utilize a new and revolutionary commission-free trading or micro share investing, where you can invest less than $100 into each trade. You can invest $1, you can invest 100, 1,000. Micro share investing. So what we allow you to do is start buying stocks with very little money. All right. So Portfolio Pro is provided from our experts, and those alerts come out through our Alerts One platform, and you decide as an individual retail investor if you want to profit from these trade alerts. Now, here's the performance with the trades. We have 2 losing trades and we have a lot of winning trades. All right. As you can see, here's some examples of some of the stocks that we have purchased over time, fully transparent with Portfolio Pro. Here's an alert for Portfolio Pro. On the left, you see an alert with regard to the symbol. It tells you the order type. So you would plug this information into the broker software on your cell phone. And as you can see, we exited this trade with 13.54%. If you invested $100, you would have gained $13. If you invested $1,000, you would have made $130. And if you invested $10,000, you would have gained over $1,000 in profit. All right, so let's focus in on Options Pro. What is Options Pro? Options Pro is delivered through a variety of strategies similar to the stock market, right? But options trading. All right, so we utilize the stocks to trade options. Okay, so Options Pro has built-in battle-tested a track record of many years of delivery of this system. Again, it's delivered through our Alerts One platform. So you can option trade and be successful with this platform. Let's look at an example. This is called a butterfly trade. Think of a butterfly with 2 wings and a body in the middle, if you picture that. All right. So we executed this trade in our platform, in our broker software. We took this image, we copied, we pasted, we waited, and we profited on the NASDAQ 100, better known as the QQQ. As you can see, fully transparent. With the butterfly trade, you're going to have a negative trade and winning trades. We profited over $4,000 on this trade. Amazing, amazing results. So with Equity Prime, which will you choose? Will you choose Trend Pro, where you make 1 trade a day and you can potentially benefit from the ups and downs of the NASDAQ 100 and outperform your retirement account? Will you choose Portfolio Pro, where you can build your portfolio of stocks over time? Or will you choose Options Pro, where you can learn about options trading? Will you choose one? Will you choose all? I choose all. Appreciate you taking a look at this information. Thank you. Take care. Take charge.